Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'll make bakery style chocolate biscuits, okay? So for that I have taken very few ingredients. I have taken butter, I have taken milk powder, flour, I have taken powdered sugar, egg, cocoa powder, and I will also be using vanilla essence. So for now I'm going to just mix the butter and the sugar together. If you can see, I've creamed the butter really well. You have to cream it really well till you get this light color. I've added the egg and the vanilla essence. I have added one egg and I had put a teaspoon or 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I'm going to give it a mix. I have mixed the egg and the vanilla essence and everything inside the butter and the sugar mixture. I'm going to add the dry ingredients. This is all the dry ingredients. I've added the cocoa powder and the milk powder in the flour, and I'm also going to put a pinch of salt in this, and then I will transfer it in this. This is the chocolate biscuit batter looks like this. I had mixed it really well and it's nice and soft. Now I will be transferring it in my piping bag. If you have a piping bag, you can use a piping bag. I will be using a Ziploc bag, and I have put a cut in it and I have put the nozzle in it, right? You can see I have used this nozzle. I'm going to transfer my biscuit in that. I didn't have a proper nozzle, so I just made round shape cookies, and I put my fingerprint because I'm going to put a chocolate dip in this chocolate icing in it. So that's why I put my finger in it and I made a hole. If you have a proper nozzle, you can always make the cookies with a nozzle. My nozzle wasn't working, that's why I just rolled out the cookies and I made round shape like that. Okay, so you can make it in any shape. You can make it star shape, flower shape, any nozzle that you have. So my cookies have come out like that, and I have put my fingertips, and I'm going to put the chocolate icing. So I'm going to put it in my preheated oven, which is 180 degrees, for 12 to 15 minutes in the oven. Make the chocolate icing. I have added like 1.5 teaspoon. I've used the measurement, this kind of measurement. You have to use the baking spoon measurements to put this. I have taken like 3 teaspoons of icing sugar. You can see the white icing sugar. I have taken 1 teaspoon of water, and I have added 1.5 teaspoons of you can say 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I'm going to keep put all the ingredients in my description bar, guys. Please have a look for this. I'm keeping this on a very low heat for it to melt. You can see that the chocolate icing is ready. I had kept a very low heat and I have added 2 tablespoons. This is 2 tablespoons of water I've added in it, and it became like that. Okay, so this I'm going to be adding on the biscuits once I cool the biscuits. These chocolate biscuits are absolutely ready. I made 14 biscuits according to the measurement, and you can see the entire recipe in the description. I'll add it for you. I'll put all the ingredients in the description, guys. Please have a look. Also, make sure you take them out after 12 to 15 minutes. Once they are done, they're absolutely done, you can see. And also if you need to let this chocolate cool down, the chocolate icing, okay, you let it cool down, then you can enjoy these biscuits. So guys, please subscribe to my channel if you like this recipe. Please like and share this recipe with others as well. Ramzan is coming, and I wish you all a very happy Ramzan, guys. Please keep me in your prayers, and also please make these amazing recipes and subscribe to my channel.